Welcome to Hilton Garden Inn in College Station, Texas. Today we'll be giving you a short tour of the hotel and room 523.
Room 523, Hilton Gardens in College Station, Texas. Great place to stay if you're visiting A&M University. End table on both sides. Chair to kick back. Desk. TV. Refrigerator. Coffee pot. Microwave. Thermostat. Full-length mirror. Bathroom with a step-up ledge to step into the shower. So we have body soap here. We have a makeup remover soap. Shampoo. Conditioner. Shower gel. Let me show you all these plugs. Each nightstand has 2 plugs. This here's the best thing, I'm telling you. So there's a plug on the wall there, regular plug on the wall there. Plug here, plug here, plug here, 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 and 2 USB ports. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places to plug in on this desktop. That's like crazy, right? And the view.
Enjoy American cuisine at Garden Grill, a restaurant which features a bar, or stay in and take advantage of the room service during limited hours. Cook-to-order breakfasts are served weekdays from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and on weekends from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. for a fee. If you just need a light snack or a drink, those are also available here. And the prices are on this. There is a 24-hour laundry room. There is an indoor pool and jacuzzi. And there's also a 24-hour fitness center. Furry friends are welcome, but contact the hotel for details. Hilton Garden Inn also offers free parking. If you're in College Station, Texas, we can recommend the Hilton Garden Inn. We hope you've enjoyed this short tour. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.